Hey guys, so today I wanted to do another video relating to the GHK GD conversion kit, mostly because there's not very many of them out there, but or videos out there about them, I guess I should say, and also because I've just finished the files, or some of them anyway, for this replacement part. You see in green, normally black, like this one, but mine broke, so I replaced it with an aluminum part, which also broke. And now I'm replacing it with this one, at least for now, until it breaks. But this one's made out of PETG, and I'll probably be releasing the files sometime soon, another video about it later, but we are going to be testing this out, and seeing how long it lasts. Alright guys, we got the gun all loaded up with some 0.25 gram inside, and put it down range. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was quick, but hopefully this showed you that you can 3D print replacement parts, and they do work fairly well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed and have a very nice day.